Tesla just revealed a flying car that costs less than a used Honda Civic, and the number is not a typo, not a marketing stunt, and not a concept locked in a lab. It is $6,789, the announcement. Tesla unveiled the flying car at a private test event in Texas, and the announcement sent shockwaves through the tech and automotive world simultaneously. Not because the idea of a flying car was surprising, people have been predicting one for decades, but because of the price. Every existing eVTOL on the market costs between $150,000 and $500,000 at minimum. Some go significantly higher. Tesla came in at under $7,000. For context, that is less than a mid-range gaming PC, roughly 1/16th the price of Tesla's cheapest car, the Model 3, and cheaper than most motorcycles currently on the road. The immediate reaction from the industry was that the number must be wrong. Tesla confirmed it is correct. The company says the price was made possible through a combination of manufacturing philosophy, materials innovation, and battery technology borrowed directly from the SpaceX program. What it actually is: runtime. The Tesla flying car is a fully electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, an eVTOL, designed for personal use and built to operate completely autonomously. It seats 2 passengers, takes off from a driveway, rooftop, or landing pad, navigates over traffic, and lands directly at the destination without requiring a pilot. The onboard AI handles navigation, obstacle avoidance, and flight path calculation automatically. You set the destination, and the car handles everything else. It reaches speeds of up to 155 mph, operates at just 65 decibels, quieter than a normal conversation, which means taking off from a residential area without disturbing neighbors becomes genuinely possible. The design draws on a roadster aesthetic with a 360-degree transparent canopy that gives passengers a panoramic view of the sky and cityscape simultaneously. Tesla describes the look as where fighter jet meets luxury glass house. How the price is possible. The price breakthrough comes from 3 simultaneous decisions that no aviation manufacturer has previously been willing or able to make together. The first is minimalist design philosophy. Instead of hundreds of complex aerospace components the way traditional aircraft are built, the Tesla flying car uses a single-piece cast frame produced by Tesla's existing Gigapress machines, the same manufacturing approach introduced with the Cybertruck. This eliminates assembly steps, reduces weight, and cuts production costs dramatically. The entire manufacturing process runs inside the Gigafactory with near fully automated robotics handling frame casting, battery installation, and motor calibration. The second factor is materials. Rather than expensive aerospace alloys, Tesla uses recycled aluminium, carbon fiber, and lightweight composites that the Gigapress can mold efficiently. The body is strong enough for flight loads while light enough to keep energy requirements manageable. The third and most significant factor is battery technology. The flying car runs on Tesla's 4680 battery cells. The same cells powering the Cybertruck and Semi, but optimized for aviation. These cells deliver 350 watt-hours per kilogram, which is exceptional energy density for their weight. And Tesla has reduced battery costs by over 40% compared to older lithium chemistry. The estimated pack capacity runs between 150 and 200 kilowatt-hours, providing sufficient energy for extended flight without requiring enormous heavy battery architecture. Tesla also reused existing intellectual property from the Model 3 and Model Y, motors, AI control systems, battery management software, rather than developing entirely new systems, saving years of research and billions in development costs. The propulsion system. Instead of exposed propeller blades like conventional helicopter-style eVTOLs, Tesla developed a ducted electric jet propulsion system. Enclosed fans that push air with significant force, silent, efficient, and fully electric. The technology is a civilian adaptation of principles developed through the SpaceX Falcon landing program. The same engineering that allows rockets to return from orbit and land themselves vertically with precision. Tesla calls this approach Falcon landing tech applied to personal aviation. The result is smooth vertical ascent, stable hovering, and pinpoint landing capability without the noise profile that makes helicopter-style flight impractical in residential and commercial areas. The triple motor system handles both ground driving and flight. 2 motors power the wheels for road use, and 1 central motor generates lift through the electric jet propulsion system underneath. On the road, the vehicle delivers over 350 miles of range per charge. In flight mode, it covers up to 310 miles at 155 mph on a single charge, which is enough for genuine city-to-city travel rather than novelty short hops. Transformation and interior. With a single tap, the car's folding wings and retractable tail deploy. In 60 seconds, the vehicle transforms from a sleek ground car into a full flying machine with a 12-foot wingspan. The wings and tail are constructed from aluminium alloy coated with carbon fiber housing internal control surfaces that maintain stability during flight at both low urban altitudes and higher altitudes for longer trips. The cockpit is pure Tesla minimalism. A single large touchscreen controls everything from takeoff and navigation to climate settings. No buttons, no secondary controls, just the screen and 2 carbon fiber seats built for comfort during turbulence with more legroom than most first-class airline configurations. Door options give buyers a choice between standard doors for cost efficiency or Model X-style gullwing doors for tighter landing spaces. The demonstration unit ran the gullwing configuration, and by all accounts, the visual impact is considerable. Safety. Multiple redundant battery packs ensure power stability if one cell group fails mid-flight. An autonomous emergency landing system can bring the vehicle down safely without any pilot input in the event of a malfunction. 360-degree radar and LiDAR sensors scan continuously for obstacles, air traffic, birds, and weather changes. A full-body parachute deployment system activates in extreme situations to slow the vehicle before touchdown. The 65 decibel noise level also plays a safety role, quiet enough for dense urban environments where noise itself creates situational hazards. Tesla engineers have tested the vehicle under extreme conditions from desert heat to mountain cold and run extensive crash tests and flight simulations before any public rollout. The rollout and what comes next. The initial production run will be limited to pre-approved customers in areas with established flight corridors and experimental flight zone clearance, primarily in Texas. This staged rollout is not just about exclusivity. It is about collecting real-world operational data while regulatory frameworks catch up. Currently, no comprehensive global licensing system exists for personal flying vehicles, and no urban air traffic management infrastructure handles mass consumer eVTOL operation. Tesla is already working directly with US aviation authorities to develop new standards for urban air mobility. Cities including Dubai, Los Angeles, Singapore, and Miami are already building vertiports, rooftop and ground-level stations where eVTOLs can land and recharge. Tesla's stated vision is to install compact landing pads on parking structures, shopping centers, and suburban neighborhoods. The longer-term goal, which Elon Musk has stated directly, is for personal flying vehicles to be as common as rideshare by 2030. Fast charging brings the battery from 10 to 80% in 25 to 30 minutes using existing Tesla supercharger infrastructure, which means downtime between flights is minimal for daily use. If solid-state battery testing currently underway produces the expected results, range could extend to 200 miles per charge in future production versions. Closing: $6,789, 155 mph, 65 decibels, autonomous navigation, and a 60-second transformation from road car to flying machine. Drop a comment telling us whether you would order one and what your first destination would be. Check the end screen for more breakthrough tech breakdowns sitting there, waiting.